Welcome back, Slingshot owners. Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have our Gen 2 plug-and-play headlight conversion kit for the 2015 to 2019 Polaris Slingshot. If you own a 2015 to 2019 Polaris Slingshot, but wish you had the look of the 2020 and newer headlight assembly, then today's your lucky day. Introducing our Gen 2 headlight conversion kit for the 2015 to 2019 model Slingshot. This mod was a collaborative effort between the design teams over at Slinglines and TricLED, and has been created to seamlessly replace your older generation outer headlight assembly with a headlight assembly that resembles the modern sexy looks of the 2020 and up Gen 2 Slingshot. Now, this new headlight housing is made from vacuum-formed ABS plastic and features a UV-resistant protective coating to stand up to the elements. And the included LED lights emit a bright white light that features a smoked lens to keep the LEDs protected from Mother Nature, as well as potential road debris. Now, of course, in proper Slingmods fashion, this headlight conversion kit is 100% plug-and-play, and the new plastic shrouds use the factory hardware to mount up in place for a very straightforward installation. Now let's get started with the install. Start by opening your hood and unplugging your headlight harness. Then unscrew these two T40 Torx screws on the front of the bezel, and then the T25 Torx screw on the back top left corner so that you can remove the stock housing. Now, depending on your Slingshot's model year, the headlight disassembly will be one of two scenarios. On the earlier models, you'll remove this 10mm screw from behind the bracket and just slide it up and off. And then on the newer models, you'll simply use a pair of pliers to pinch these two clips, and then pull the bracket forward and off. Next, slide your new headlight housing up into position, and reinstall that T25 Torx screw. Now this will hold the housing in place while you make sure it's nice and straight, before using a marking pin to mark the two mounting holes from the back side of the bracket. Then you can unscrew that T25 Torx to reveal your two marks. And use an 11/32 drill bit to make a hole where those marks are. Now you can mount the new housing back up into position reusing the T25 Torx screw on the back and two T40 Torx screws on the front, finger tight to start. And then once all three are in, go ahead and tighten them back down the rest of the way, making sure not to over tighten. And then finally, you can plug the harness back in, and be sure to zip tie any excess up and out of the way. And then simply repeat for the other side. Now it's also worth mentioning that the 15 through 19 Slingshots come with yellow halogen bulbs from the factory on the two center headlights. So if you haven't already done so, you may consider upgrading to a set of our bright white plug-and-play center LED bulbs so your Slingshot center headlights match the color output of your new Gen 2 outer conversion kit. Now, if you feel like your 2015 to 2019 Slingshot could use a little facelift, then be sure to head on over to Slingmods.com today, or click the link in the description below to grab a headlight conversion kit for yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Slingshot. I'm Brandon, signing out. Till next time.